Here is this little Lufkin back plunger style indicator. Really not that impressed with the construction of these indicators, but they do work, and by replacing the cracked jewel in this one with a miniature ball bearing, I've got quite fast action. There's no stickiness, or it doesn't jam up or experience any sluggishness. So I think this one's also good to go. Yeah, again, it's just a basic service that ended up being a whole lot more. I ended up having to replace the hairspring because I managed to destroy it through a clumsy move on the lathe, and I replaced a cracked jewel with a 1 by 3 millimeter ball bearing.